The general rule when we're using oils on the outside of the body is the bigger the area, the lower the dosage should be. If I just got stung by a wasp, I might take 1 drop of basil and gently rub it in, and it's going to take all the sting away.
Right.
Right? But if I was going to give somebody a whole back rub with basil,
Right.
I wouldn't use it any stronger than about 3 to 5%.
Right.
Because it's a big area of skin and it's getting into your bloodstream and all that sort of thing. So the general rule is the bigger the area, the lower the dose. Right? And then just if something gets in your eye, or quite often in classes I might have everybody take a drop of peppermint and rub their gums, or just sniff it really deep, and it opens your sinuses and you're really awake right away. And I always say, now don't stick that finger up your nose or any other orifice when you go to the washroom, okay? Because it's going to burn like crazy.
Yeah.
So a good idea, if you like working with essential oils, is always have a little vial of whatever you want. Canola oil, I don't care. Just any sort of oil. Sesame oil, I don't care. Just some oil, in case there's ever a problem.
Right. I like that idea of the, you said the shotgun type of belt with those type of rounds. It's almost like the perfect size of a
and I've had those on hikes and going through the airport, going to meetings, going to seminars.
Yeah.